Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and y'all know I had to give a tutorial on this hair, y'all. Like, look at it. Snap. This sponsor video is featuring KESwigs, y'all. I think I'm saying it wrong because it got like a apostrophe thing on top of the E. So KESwigs. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, correct me in the description below. But we're featuring this hair brand today, y'all. And this is how the wig turned out when I say bomb. And look, my curls are lasting. Look how thick it is too, though. The curls is sitting. Okay, and I'm absolutely in love with the short hair. I don't want to keep y'all long because I definitely want to get into me actually applying this wig to my hair, y'all. Look at this lace. Lace is undetectable, baby. Undetectable. Do y'all see that? Blended into my skin perfectly. Girl, I want y'all to keep watching. So if y'all want to see how I slayed KESwigs, then keep on watching. Hey guys, we're about to get into this unboxing, y'all. This is from KESwigs, and let's go. So this is over some hair, and inside the box there comes a curling iron, a wrap, a comb for the baby hairs. It's just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that they sent over, but thank you for sending that over. And this is the wig, y'all. Look at this wig. It looked like it is blendable, okay? This wig look like it's going to melt into the scalp so seamlessly, y'all. Like, look at this. I'm in love. And look at the ends. Compared to other wigs, those ends look really good. Hey y'all, so I'm here to insert a small clip. This is me after this tutorial, but I want to show y'all exactly how far a 13x6 goes. Okay, I didn't mention in the video that this goes far. So this is the wig the next day. It's still melted, so I'm about to show y'all me parting it. As you can see, this part is super long. Other wigs can't do that, so I'm about to show y'all exactly what I mean. So I'm gonna part this far back as I can. Put the money pick it up. Sorry. Okay, but yeah, I had to give y'all a free parting. This is a 13x6 lace front, y'all, and when I say it goes far, it goes far. And some people love those parts where you can go really far with this. So yeah, back to the tutorial. Really thick and really good. So this is the inside of the wig. I did take out the combs prior to showing you all this, and also that was the lace.
You were on my mind. You were on my mind. So you know what's on my mind. You were on my mind. So you know what Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to style.
That's all done. I'm going to take some lace tint and I want to spray this down, baby. And I'm going to spray this down and let this dry. And we're going to come back to apply this wig on my head. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and applied this wig cap to my head, y'all. The same thing I do in every wig video is what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay my cap down here. I'm just lightly spraying this with some gas to be glue. It's a light spray. And now to set the size, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take even, this is the active, it's like a glue almost. You can use it for your wig to lay it down instead of the Hold Me Down by Erica J. But I use a combination of all of it, okay? I bought it, so I'm going to use all of it. I did that on the sides of the ear to hold it down, and now I'm taking my Erica J glue, and I am laying this down. I don't know what's going on right there, but I want to lay this down, and I want it to dry to clear. I'm going to be cutting this cap, and I'm going to start talking, y'all, so I want to meet y'all once it's time to apply this wig, y'all, because y'all gotta see how it melts. Y'all gotta see exactly how to lay this down. But while y'all at it, don't forget to go check out Keys in the description below to know further details, and also the link to this wig. So yeah, keep watching. I'm here to put this wig on. I got it pretty tight, y'all, just to see how it fits. And also it's even. And I did do a side part, y'all. I did go ahead and do a side part. Okay. Okay, this is how far I want it. I went ahead and I put some foundation and also some lace tint on this. I want to put more foundation once I like cut it. And yeah, look at that. Look at that lace, y'all. I'm gonna come right back once my mom cut the ear tabs. She's gonna cut the ear tabs off camera. And I'm gonna come back so we can glue this baby down. I'm about to glue this down. This part, I don't know what happened right here, but it's okay because they don't see that part anyway. So add 2 coats of this Hold Me Down glue. Y'all know I got to add my Erica J glue. Glue maybe really thick to where it's like almost towards the back area so that my wig can last longer. And I learned that from this one girl. She just uploaded a video on YouTube, and actually it works. Okay, your wig is still on. My wig is still on while I'm talking to y'all right now. My wig is still on. Okay. As I laid it down to fit like the glue area and to mold it to that glue, I didn't want to take my comb to mesh it in, but this is the key right here. I did go ahead and take that active glue from, what's that, Even, and I sprayed it down, and every time I sprayed it down, I took my blow dryer on cool, hot, cool, hot, cool, hot, and this will melt your wig into your head, okay? And also when you cut it, you can actually put this on again and do the same method that I'm doing right here. Y'all, so I feel like it's dry. Look at it. Look at the melt. It look like my, well, look at this melt, y'all. It look like my lace is off, but it's not even off yet. But look at that. Okay, let's take this off. Gonna pin this back. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3. And me, I'm gonna try my best to go close. Like, look at this lace. Okay. Try not to stab my. Now I know y'all see that blend. Y'all see that blend? Watch this. This blend can be crazy. This lace is actually really good, y'all. Y'all can see it, like, in all my videos, y'all can see that the lace is really good. Any video. Look at it. It's like melting into my skin. Like, this is really good lace. And then the tinting and the melting it down and all of that stuff matters, y'all. Look at that. Wow. I had to stop. I had to pause because I'm looking at it. As y'all looking at it, look at that. It blended. I had to stretch it because, you know, that stuff is strong, okay? But we gotta stretch it so we can cut the lace off. So right here what my mom is doing is cutting the excess lace off. I did have excess glue on my forehead. So what you can do is just take some alcohol and take it off. I didn't do that. And then now she's doing my baby hairs. I'm not gonna explain much of this. I'm just gonna let y'all watch it. But yeah. Once again, don't forget to go check out KESwigs in the description right below. And I'm gonna catch y'all when it's time to curl this wig. Alright y'all, so this is the last part. My mom's curling my hair. I'm not going to go over it because it's redundant. What she's using is a Babe Bliss. I'm going to leave it in the description right below. It's a 1-inch curling iron and she's going to do this all over y'all. So don't forget to go check out Key's hair in the description right below. And yeah, watch out slay these curls. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out KESwigs in the description bar below. And until then, I'm going to see you dolls on my next tutorial.